Cash Giraffe currently says most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours, with some players cashing out the same day after reaching the $0.20 minimum. Payday lets you withdraw winnings through skills via PayPal, but its current listing does not promise a specific payout time. So if payout speed is the deciding factor, Cash Giraffe has the clearer advantage on paper. Here's what each app actually does and what you should expect before spending your time on either one. First, Cash Giraffe is a play-to-earn rewards app rather than a competitive cash pool game. You earn gems by playing featured games, completing surveys, and reaching in-game milestones. Those gems can be exchanged for PayPal cash or gift cards. The biggest speed advantage is the low cash-out threshold. Cash Giraffe currently advertises a minimum payout of $0.20, and its website says most players reach that amount within their first few gaming sessions. It also says most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours. That makes Cash Giraffe better suited to someone who wants to reach a small payout quickly without depositing money. Payday works differently. It is an eight-ball pool game built around head-to-head competitions, leagues, and tournaments. Its real money competitions are powered by skills, and the app says winnings can be withdrawn through skills using PayPal. The important difference is that you generally need to win cash competitions before you have winnings to withdraw. Cash Giraffe, meanwhile, gives you rewards for completing qualifying activities, so you're not relying on winning a pool match to build your balance. Payday also has regional restrictions for cash tournaments. Its current App Store listing says cash tournaments aren't enabled in Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Maine, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, and Tennessee. For payout speed though, there's no verified apples-to-apples number. Cash Giraffe publishes a few hours processing estimate, while Payday's listing confirms PayPal withdrawals, but doesn't give a guaranteed time frame. That means claiming Payday pays faster would be guessing. There's also a second issue for Indian users. PayPal says Indian accounts must complete identity confirmation, and international payments require a verified PAN and linked Indian bank account before funds can be withdrawn. So the verdict is simple. Cash Giraffe wins for predictable payout speed, with a published $0.20 minimum and a stated processing time of a few hours. Payday is better if you specifically want competitive 8-ball matches where real money prizes are part of the game. Before choosing, check whether your priority is fast small rewards or competitive cash winnings. If this comparison saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.